What does an offshore accident lawyer do? An offshore accident lawyer helps people injured while working on offshore oil rigs get the compensation they deserve. Offshore accidents are a common occurrence in the oil and gas industry. These accidents can be caused by a wide variety of factors such as faulty equipment, human error, and natural disasters. If you've been the victim of an accident on an offshore oil rig or another offshore work site, then it's time to get in touch with a lawyer who specializes in these types of cases. What is an offshore accident lawyer? An offshore accident lawyer is a type of personal injury lawyer who specializes in helping victims of accidents that occur while working on an offshore oil rig pursue compensation from the entities that are at fault for the accident. These lawyers can provide legal advice and representation in numerous aspects of an injury case, including medical expenses, lost wages, pain and suffering, and more. What does an offshore accident lawyer do? An offshore accident lawyer specializes in cases involving admiralty law, which is also known as maritime law. Because offshore accidents involve a unique and highly complex set of laws that were exclusively created for the maritime industry, it's essential that victims of offshore accidents get help from an offshore accident lawyer who has experience handling these types of cases. Offshore accident cases are different from other types of personal injury and workers' compensation claims because they require a deep understanding of the intricacies of maritime laws, acts, and regulations. Offshore accident lawyers offer legal representation to people who have been injured offshore using their specialized knowledge of admiralty law to help people receive the compensation that they deserve for their injuries. What qualifies as an offshore accident? For an occurrence to qualify as an offshore accident, it must occur on navigable water. Usually the term offshore accident refers to an incident that occurs on a vessel used by an oil and gas company to extract oil and gas from reserves located beneath the ocean floor. Offshore oil and gas extraction methods require workers to work in open water on various barges, rigs, and platforms. Some common examples of offshore accidents include offshore drilling rig accidents, a jackup rig accident, offshore oil platform accidents, tugboat and barge accidents, workboat accidents, helicopter accidents, fires and explosions, mechanical failures, equipment malfunctions, on-deck accidents such as falling and/or being struck by an object. What is a typical offshore accident settlement? Well, because every offshore accident case involves a unique set of facts and legal issues that impact its settlement value, there's no typical offshore accident settlement. An offshore accident settlement will include compensation for the damages you suffer as a result of the accident, which will vary dramatically from case to case. The types of damages that will impact the value of your settlement include medical expenses, long-term health issues, lost wages, lost earning capacity, pain and suffering, mental anguish, mental health care, disfigurement, vocational rehabilitation, long-term care, and your living expenses. If you've been hurt while working offshore, it's crucial that you speak to a qualified attorney who can help you pursue your maritime claim and identify the laws that apply to your case. An offshore accident lawyer can also provide a more concrete estimate of the potential value of your claim. When should I contact an offshore accident lawyer? If you've been involved in an offshore accident, you should contact an offshore accident lawyer as soon as possible. Make sure you do not speak with any insurance companies or lawyers representing the oil company before you have obtained your own counsel. Most attorneys will offer a free consultation to discuss the merits of your case and the best available course of action to pursue. If you have any questions, call or email us anytime. At Attorney911, we protect victims like you every day, and we sincerely want to hear your story. Thanks for watching.